the lines and angles. Here you have to find the value of x. See, this is a straight angle, that is 2x minus 5 plus x minus 3 plus x is equal to, what do you mean by straight angle? It is 180 degree. Therefore 2x plus x 3 plus 5x, 2x plus x, 3x plus 4x, this 4x minus 5 minus 3, how much? Minus 8, 180 degree. Therefore 4x is equal to 180 degree plus 8. Therefore 4x is equal to 188 degree. Therefore 188 by 4. 2 times 94. That is equal to 47. X equal to 47. Okay. This is supplementary angle, or straight angle or supplementary. Now x and y are supplementary. That means x plus y is supplementary is 180 degree. Complementary means 360, right? Supplementary. Here and x minus 2y equal to 30 degree. Now you have to find the value of x and y. Simply change the sign. What equal? Plus x minus x will cancel. Y plus 2y is equal to 3y. 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Therefore y is equal to 150 by 3, 50 degree. Therefore y is equal to 50 degree. But x plus y is equal to 180. Y is 50 degree. 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 50, or x equal to 130 degree. Now how to do this sum? Now parallel to this, you draw one line. This is x by 2, and this is also x by 2, right? See, this is not exactly equal. This is A, this is B. You put it like this. Though in the diagram it looks, suppose x is like this, you write parallel to this, the diagram may be like this. Okay, here E. Suppose in this diagram it looks equal, but the actual diagram is this. Find the value of x, they have asked. That means there are two parallel lines. There is one particular point E. Join this. What is the value of x, they have asked? This is E, this is C. Therefore, if you draw a parallel line, this will be A, this will be B. That one I have done A and B. Now this is a parallel line. Therefore, these two, A plus 124 equal to 180. Right? Therefore, angle A equal to 180 minus 124. That is 56 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 56 degree. Similarly, these two angles, B and 116 degree is equal to 180 degree, because both are parallel. Therefore, angle B is equal to 180 minus 1 16 degree. Therefore angle B equal to 120. Therefore x is equal to angle A plus angle B 56 plus 64, sorry, this is 64 around. Therefore angle x is equal to 120 degree, right? This is an important problem, right? And see, find the angle if 7 times its complement. Complement is, see, sum of the two angles should be 90 degree complement. Supplement means sum of the two angles is what? 180 degree. Just remember this. Find an angle if see 7 times, okay, 7 times of its complement. What is complement? Suppose find the angle, let x be the angle, find the angle such that 7 times of its complement. What is the complement of x? X minus 90. 7 times of its complement, okay, is 10 degree less than. 10 degree less than means more than means minus. Therefore 10 degree less than 3 times of its complement. Its supplement. Its supplement is 180 minus x. This is also important sum. Find the angle if 7 times of its complement. Complement means sum of the angle is 90 degree. That is, if x is an unknown angle, its complement is x minus 90. Is less than, that means you have to add it. Less than 3 times of its supplement. Supplement of x is called 180 minus x. The remaining simple calculation. 7x, 7 into 90 plus 10 is equal to 3 into 180 minus 3x. You bring this side. 7x plus 3x minus 7 into 90 plus 10 minus 3 into 180 equal to 0. This is 10. Divide through it by 10. Therefore what x? 7x x minus 7 into 9 plus divided by 10 1 minus 3 into 18 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 63 minus 54 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 54 plus 63 . Somewhere I did some mistake. Somewhere we have found out somewhere. See, some sign would have cancelled this. See, 6 plus this is 7. 5 plus 6 is 111. But answer we are getting a different answer. It may not be, see here. Here, what is the biggest mistake I have done? The mistake is this. We have to write 90 minus x, not x minus 90. If x minus 90, then what you will write? What you get? You get a different answer. Therefore, I will write the black pen. Here, right? 7 90 minus x plus 10 is equal to 3 180 minus x. This is the mistake. Therefore 790 minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 3 into 180 minus 3x. You bring this side. or you send this side. You bring this side. 7x minus 3x is equal to 5x. No, 7 is 4x. Right? 4x. 7 into 9. 54. 0 minus 54, 0. Plus 10 is equal to the 7. Sorry, 64. 64. This is 54, 0. Therefore, right here minus 5x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 100 or x is equal to 25. See all the mistake because of this. We did a mistake here somewhere. Instead of 90 minus x, we have written x minus 90. You have to be very, very careful in this one. Okay? Then I'll do the next problem in the next class.